There are two parallels, I guess, and two different topics that we can also correlate business and sports together. If businessmen go to the sports event, they can communicate with each other more openly because the area and the space is very relaxing and we can touch different topics on more easily way. On the other side, also for countries, especially like Slovenia, sport is very interesting and very important as a promotion, because countries like Slovenia that are really small, we know as we travel a lot, many people don't even know that Slovenia exists. And if you ask them about sports, they immediately know Slovenia because they have heard about well-spread sport arts and the athletes that come from Slovenia, and then they correlate Slovenia with such kind of sports events and such kind also business environment. Because as I said, the core values are very similar in business and sports, and if they know that Slovenia has very good sportsmen, they do know that there is also environment that is very well for business. And as we all know, Slovenia is very central here in Europe. We have lots of people who are well educated and also in technology, in business and other fields. We are open for business with different countries because we are small and we have to communicate and do business with other countries. And these promoters in sports are very, I believe, make a big advantage for Slovenia. So that they can and that Slovenia can promote its business environment and do then businesses on the other fields as well.